Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss directional derivatives. This is the very important directional derivatives. So try to teach for my friends that they can also get help, and I can also learn from you, and you can also learn from me. If any mistakes, please tell me that it is. Please tell me. I will correct this. Okay, so friends, now, at first we have to learn directional derivative. Let f is defined on S super subset not super subset of R square. S is subset of R square, and C belongs to capital S, and let U1 comma U2, let U1 comma U2 is equal to U1 comma equals to U1 comma U2 belongs to capital R square, capital R square, and then the directional derivative of f at C in the direction of f at C in the direction of U is defined as limit h tends to 0 f c plus h u minus f c is equal to divided by h provided this limit exists. This limit exists, denoted by f dash c comma u. So from friends, one example I discuss. If x comma y equals to x y square and x to the power whole square plus y to the power 4, 0 comma x comma y zero comma 0 x comma y equals to 0. When x and y both are 0, then it is 0. So friends, solution. F dash c comma u. Here one minute, here also one things I believe. Find the question is find the directional derivative. Find the directional derivative along u is equal to root over 2 comma root over 2 at 0 comma 0. So friends, f dash cu is equal to, according to the formula whatever I have told here, c is equal to what is c is equal to 0 comma 0. Here c is equal to 0 comma 0. So recall the formula. F dash cu is equal to c comma u. F dash c comma u is equal to limit x tends to h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 divide by f into c plus h u minus fc divide by h. This is the formula. So friends, according to the formula, so whatever I can get, c is equal to 0 comma 0. So in here limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 limit h tends to 0, fc means f 0 plus h 0 plus 0 comma 0 means I will put the value of the c 0 comma 0 plus h into root 2 comma root 2 minus f 0 comma 0. This is the formula. Whatever I have told, that this formula is f c plus h u divide minus f c divide by h. Now limit h tends to 0, h tends to 0, and whatever I get, if I add, then I can get f h root 2 comma h root 2 divide by h, and this value is not 0 to 0, so whatever we get, we can get limit h tends to 0, and I putting the value because h is not look at this function is not 0, so I will put this value h on this value h square into 2 h square into 2h square, 2h square plus h square, not h cube, 2h cube, because 2 root 2, this is the 2h cube, not h 2 root 2. Calculation is small wrong, 2a, because x is h root 2 and y is h root 2, so that I will put if this there here, so I will get this, and whatever I can get 2h means x square plus 4 h to the power 4 divide by h. So whatever I can get limit, after calculation, limit h tends to 0 and I get 2 root 2 divide by 2 into 1 plus 2h square is equal to limit, whatever I can get this value, I will putting the value h equals to 0, so I get it is the value of root 2. After calculations I get it is the value of root 2. So friends, this is my directional derivative.